Hi, my name is Vanessa and I'm excited to share with you my nighttime regimen, how I pamper my skin after a long day behind the computer and after a hard workout at the gym. So I'm going to start with the Ageless Total Facial Cleanser, and I love to use this cleanser because it's a great makeup remover, and not only does it help cleanse my face, but it also tones and exfoliates the skin. I put about a quarter size in my hand. Gonna feel nice and tingly, and this product is actually the perfect preparation for the next product that we're going to apply. Face feels nice and tight after. It smells minty. So the next step is going to be the Hydrating Overnight Mask from the Vital C collection, which is going to be treating your skin overnight while you sleep. And you're going to see that it's a gel-like formula, and it's going to be very cooling when you apply it to the skin. Probably the first thing you'll notice about it is how delicious it smells. It helps give the appearance of smooth skin and helps diminish any fine lines and wrinkles. And you also want to make sure that you apply this product 20 to 30 minutes before you actually go to bed for the night, so it can absorb into the skin.